How to do a perfect wiring of 2 rooms with 2000 watt geyser. Meter to DP MCB 4 square mm wire. RCCB to single pole MCB 4 square mm wire. Neutral wire from RCCB connected to neutral bar. Fan to regulator use 0.5 square mm wire. Bulb to switch use 0.5 square mm wire. Use 1.5 square mm wire to give face to the switchboard. Use 0.5 square mm wire to give neutral supply to the bulb holder and fan. Use 1.5 square mm wire to give neutral supply to the switch and socket board through neutral bar. Room number 1 wiring complete. For room number 2, use the second single pole MCB and do the same as done with the room number 1. There is 2000 watt geyser in room number 2, therefore we used another single pole MCB and we will use 2.5 square mm wire for the geyser and 16 ampere power socket board. For room number 1, use 10 ampere MCB. For room number 2, use 10 ampere MCB, and for 2000 watt geyser use 16 ampere MCB and use 2.5 square mm wire. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.